and welcome to the Gardening Time at the Library segment. I know you thought you got rid of me last year when Farmer Seed closed, but we found a way to get more information out there. So we're going to base this out of the library now because we really do have a lot to offer as far as a seed library, as you can see here. With the seed library, we have you actually sign a contract that says that you're going to do everything organically, so there would be no chemicals involved. And we would also ask that if you're going to grow beans from us and you pick up beans from another place, or cucumbers or tomatoes or anything that you pick up here, if you have a different variety of that particular vegetable, we need to have at least 10 feet in between each plant. So that would prevent any type of cross-pollination that might happen with our pollinators. And so in doing that, we create a constant food supply and seed supply. And it's also a way of protecting our heritage with our different types of food. This table will be up probably until about the end of May. And then, as you can see here, I've started some plants already for our vegetable garden and for our 2 different pollinator gardens. And now would be the time that you would want to start your tomato plants. I've got peppers that I started about a month ago. They take a little bit longer to take off. The cucumbers, I'm going to start probably 2 weeks before I take them outside. So through May, we will have pertinent information at the table. And after that, then we're going to move to our garden information station, which is right by the reference desk. So you can see up on the wall that there is the sign for the garden information station. This is also where the seed library is at. And so you just open up, and we're almost out of seeds, so that's a good thing. But we really are hoping that if you've taken seeds, that you will bring us back the amount of seeds that you received in the springtime, in the fall. So when you sign a contract with us and agree to the no chemicals or getting other items within 10 feet of the same tomato or bean or whatever, we check those out to you. And then in the fall, we will notate whether you gave us seeds back or not. Seed saving can be tricky, and a lot of people don't know how to do it. So when you sign your contract, you're also going to give me your email, which will not go anywhere other than for the garden emails. And then I will send you tidbits for gardening tips throughout the growing season. And then I will alert you to different times when I'm actually going to save seeds, so you can come and see the technique. Some are going to be extremely easy, like pak choi and beans. They're very, very easy to save seeds from. The tomatoes and the cucumbers, however, they're going to be a little more tricky. Peppers are pretty easy. But having it this way, I'm able to support you in your seed saving practices. But this is also going to give other information. If you come in, I have information on different types of pollinators, what you can do to help pollinators.